Hi everyone! Today we're diving into a common Docker mystery. You type Docker Compose and it just works, right? But some of you might remember Docker Compose being a completely separate tool. So, why does Docker Compose now work directly with the Docker command? Is it truly a Docker command, or something else entirely? Let's clear up this confusion about how Docker Compose integrates with your Docker setup. First, let's talk about the past. The original Docker Compose was a standalone Python application. You had to install it separately on your system. It had its own executable, which was typically named Docker Compose. When you ran Docker Compose up, you were calling that specific Python program directly. It was not a built-in subcommand of the main Docker CLI. It existed independently to help you manage multi-container Docker applications easily. Think of it as a helpful friend that worked alongside Docker, not inside it. It was a separate piece of software that interacted with the Docker daemon. Now, let's fast forward to today. Docker acquired the Compose project. They decided to integrate it much more tightly into the Docker ecosystem. The new Docker Compose is now a Docker CLI plugin. This is a very important distinction to understand. It's not a core subcommand like Docker run or Docker ps, which are hard-coded directly into the main Docker binary. Instead, it's an extension. When you type Docker Compose into your terminal, the main Docker command line interface actually looks for a plugin named Docker Compose. If it finds this plugin, it then executes it. This plugin is typically written in Go, just like Docker itself, and it often ships directly with Docker Desktop or recent Docker Engine installations. You usually don't need to install it separately anymore. This plugin architecture is incredibly smart and efficient. It allows Docker to add powerful new features and tools without making the main Docker binary enormous. It keeps the core Docker CLI lean and focused. Yet, it provides a seamless user experience for you. You don't need to worry about separate installations for Compose anymore if you have a modern Docker setup. It feels like a native Docker command because it's a native plugin command. So, when you run Docker Compose, you are indeed using a Docker command. You are calling a command that extends Docker's capabilities through its well-designed plugin system. It's a powerful way for Docker to grow and adapt while maintaining flexibility. Hopefully, this explanation helps clarify why Docker Compose works so smoothly today. It's a testament to Docker's evolving and robust architecture. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this information useful, please give it a thumbs up to help others find it. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more helpful Docker insights and tech explanations. We truly appreciate your support. See you in the next video.